Today we got a 2007 Honda Odyssey, and we're going to change the shocks on it because we're hearing some clunking sounds, especially going over bumps and things. It just is definitely making some weird noises in the back, and when I jump on the rear end, I can hear it clunking, so I'm pretty sure it's the shocks. They're really quick and easy repair. Only has 3 nuts and bolts, and should be pretty easy to do at home yourself. First thing we got to do is take off our tire here. So you want to break all these your lug nuts loose, and then you're going to jack it up. Unless you have an impact. If you have an impact, you can just jack it up and zip them all right off. Alright, I'm just putting my jack right here, and I'm just going to jack it up. Alright, we got our tire off. If you don't have jack stands, a good option for some safety is to put your tire under your vehicle, so if it falls onto the tire. I just do that as a safety precaution, especially when I'm too lazy to get my jack stands out. So right here's our shock. This is super easy. We got 2 here. These are a 9/16 socket. Super easy to get those off. And then there's another one down here. All right, so we got this one down here, right there. Whoops, sorry. Right here, that's a 17 metric. We're just gonna zip those 3 off real quick. If you have an impact, this takes no time at all. Alright. Once we get that bottom one off, we'll be good to go. Alright, we got the bottom nut off. So then we're just gonna wiggle this back and forth until this comes off, and then try to wiggle. Where's the best angle here? Just gonna, you got this washer here. We're just gonna try to wiggle this back and forth until it comes off. All right, mine came off pretty easy. I've seen some videos where some people had some problems with it, and they kind of put like a crowbar in here and wedged it in there and pried it out. So if you have that problem, that's something you can do. But mine came right off. This side did, and I already did the other side, and that one came right off. So one thing about these shocks is you want to do them 2 at a time. So if you're going to do a back one, do both back ones. If you're going to do a front one, do both front ones. And it's not a bad idea to do all 4 at the same time if you want to. That's probably the best option. Now, getting this back in here, I find that it's easier to put this bottom one on first. And if you compress it all the way down, that makes it the easiest to get it pushed back on there. Alright, we got that bottom one on. Then you're just gonna line this up, push it on, and put your nut and bolt back in. Don't forget your washer down here. Mine was like kind of curved out like that. And you're just gonna tighten your nut back on. Alright, once you got your nuts and bolts back on, you're just ready to throw your tire on and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. I'm going to have more Honda Odyssey content coming soon. I'll be doing the brakes on this van pretty soon here. They're squeaking, so we'll get to that. And stay independent out there.